Adverbs. We know an adverb tells us more about a verb or an adjective. For example, Billy missed the bus. He was walking slowly. We find an adverb of manner tells us how an action takes place. For example, she sings sweetly. He ate the chocolate quickly. Students, now we can write the textbook part of this chapter, okay? So you have to remember one thing. See here, an adverb of manner is made by adding ly to the verb or adjective. If a word ends with y, it should be changed to I, okay, before adding ly. So understand, if a word end with y, see here, angry, what we have to add? Instead of y, we have to add I, okay, instead of y, we have to add what? I before ly. Before ly, we have to add what? I, okay. See, angry, angrily, y ending word. So before adding ly, we have to add I in the place of y, okay. One example is given there. Next one is bad. Sorry, number 2, beautiful. Beautiful, beautifully. No, and adverb is beautifully. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L-L-Y. Beautifully. Okay. Clever, cleverly. C-L-E-V-E-R-L-Y. Cleverly. Eager, eagerly. E-A-G-E-R-L-Y. Eagerly. Furious, furiously. F-U-R-I-O-U-S-L-Y. Furiously. Okay. Number 6, bad, badly. B-A-D-L-Y. Badly. Careful, carefully. C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y. Carefully. Dangerous, dangerously. Adding ly, that is adverb. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S-L-Y. Dangerously. Foolish, foolishly. F-O-O-L-I-S-H-L-Y. Foolishly. Greedy, greedily. G-R-E-E-D-I-L-Y. Greedily. Okay. And my dear students, turn the next page. Fill in the blanks with adverbs. Okay. I could not hear him. He was talking dash. Soft. Soft adverb is softly. S-O-F-T-L-Y. Softly. Mother was happy. She smiled dash. Sweet. Sweetly. S-W-E-E-T-L-Y. Sweetly. Mina got hurt. She cried dash. Bitter. Bitterly. B-I-T-T-E-R-L-Y. Bitterly. Chetana got an A+. She wrote the test dash. Neat bracket. Neat. Neatly. N-E-A-T-L-Y. Neatly. The day was hot. The sun shone dash brightly. BRIGHTLY, brightly. I broke the necklace. Mother scolded dash angrily. ANGRILY, angrily. Okay. Next, see exercise C. Adverbs of manner tells us how something happens. Fill the blanks with adverbs of your own. Okay. So adverbs of manner, I told you, no? First exercise we done. She sings dash. She sings dash. We can write your own. She sings. I will write happily. She sings happily. HAPPILY, happily. She dash finished her dinner. She, what we can write? Yes, quickly. QUICKLY, quickly. Okay. He performed dash. He performed, yes, wonderfully. WONDERFULLY, wonderfully. He ate the chocolate cake dash. What? Completely, no? COMPLETELY, completely. She typed the letter dash. Yes, correctly. CORRECTLY, correctly. Okay. Dash. She opened the door. Dash. She opened the door. What? Slowly. SLOWLY, slowly. The teacher dash asked the children to finish their drawing. The teacher say loudly. No, the teacher loudly. LOUDLY, loudly. She carried the baby upstairs dash carefully. No, CAREFULLY, carefully. Okay. Fill the opposites of these adverbs from the box. Okay. So here adverbs are given. We have to select the correct one and fill it. Okay. Opposites. Quickly. What? Quick. Slow. No. Slowly. SLOWLY, slowly. Wisely. Wise. Foolishly. FOOLISHLY, foolishly. Brightly. Bright. Dull. No. See. Dully. 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 Okay. Next. Neatly. Untidily. No. Neatly. UNTIDLY. Okay. Untidily. Gently. Yes. Cruelly. No. CRUELLY, Why? Cruelly. Happily? Sadly. No? SADLY. Sadly. Okay? Exercise easy here, students. Rewrite the sentences using the words given in brackets in the correct word order. Okay? We have to rewrite these sentences. Bake the cake for 2 hours. Slowly bracket. So, how can we rewrite? Bake the cake slowly for 2 hours, right? Yes, we can write. Bake, B-A-K-E, bake the cake, C-A-K-E, cake, slowly here, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly, for 2 hours, H-O-U-R-S, full stop. Okay. The dog barked when the phone started to ring, loudly bracket word. How can we write? The dog, D-O-G, dog, barked, B-A-R-K-E-D, barked, loudly, see here, loudly, L-O-U-D-L-Y, loudly, when the, W-H-E-N, when the phone, P-H-O-N-E, phone, started, S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started to ring, right? See, to R-I-N-G, ring, full stop. Rohan did his homework carefully. So we have to write Rohan, R-O-H-A-N, Rohan did his homework, H-O-M-E, home, W-O-R-K, homework, carefully, right? C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y, full stop. Okay? The pupil cleaned the board quietly. The pupil, P-H-E, the, P-U-P-I-L, pupil, C-L-E-A-N-E-D, cleaned the board, the, B-O-A-R-D, the board, how? Yes, quietly, Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y, full stop. The man told Mike the way to the railway station clearly. Okay, write as it is. The man told, T-O-L-D, told, the man told Mike, M-I-K-E, Mike, how? Clearly, C-L-E-A-R-L-Y, clearly. Next what? The way, the, W-A-Y, the way to the railway station, to the, R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, S-T-A-T-I-O-N, to the railway station. Read the paragraph and circle the adverbs in it. Okay. Last Saturday, Raj went shopping with grandma. They took the car to the shopping center. There was a lot of traffic on the road. His grandma had to drive slowly. See? So we have to circle slowly. Have you got the shopping list, Ben? Grandma asked. No, I haven't, Raj answered quickly. So this is another adverb. Circle it. But I told you to take it, Grandma said a bit angrily. Angrily, see? Circle it. Sorry, Granny, but I forgot all about it, Raj said worriedly. Here also adverb. Circle it. Grandma answered helpfully. Helpfully also adverb. Circle it. Then write it now. Raj smiled happily. Happily circle it. Okay, very easy. No. And students, you have to write everything neatly and make understand, and then you can shine like stars in grammar subject. It is a very easy subject. Okay, have a nice day, students.